This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Vanessa Gumm. Furnished gorgeous beach walk, second floor, 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit, has enclosed patio with a peek of the lake and golf course. The kitchen has newer appliances plus backsplash and is open to the living and dining areas. The split bedroom floor plan is desired as the guest suite and master suite can be closed off by pocket doors for privacy. The washer and dryer is conveniently located near the kitchen. Beach walk is across from the private beach area and offers a private community pool, bike pavilion and ample parking. The owner has membership to the Ocean Club for golf, tennis, 2 gyms, access to the private beach, tiki bars, 3 additional pools and 2 hot tubs for a small additional fee. Available May to December at $3,000. No pets and no smoking. Membership to Ocean Club can transfer to tenant. For more information, review the details below or contact Vanessa Gumm at 772-485-1221.